Hi gorgeous, here are some beautiful scarf styles for you. So wear your scarf, wrap it once around your neck. Now roll both of the sides around the scarf like this. Now tie a knot and you are done. In the next one, take your scarf, fold it. Now tie a knot in the middle and take both of the edges and tie a knot behind your neck and you are done. This is simple and stylish look. So here we are using a square scarf. Take its opposite edges, wear it and tie a double knot and you are done. You can also style it at the side like this. Now simply move the scarf and your new look is ready. In the next one again we are using a square scarf. Now give your scarf zigzag folds like this and secure with the rubber band. Now take both of the edges and wear it and simply set the folds which we have made in the middle. Now set it and you are done. So again we are folding the scarf, wear it, cross both of the sides, roll them and tie a knot and set its edge. Open the folds and you are done. In the next one we are again using a beads necklace. Pass the scarf through the necklace and wear it and pass the other edge through the necklace and tie a knot, then tie a bow knot and you are done. So next, wear your scarf, cross both of the sides and wrap its one edge back around your neck. Now tie both of the sides, set it and you are done. I hope you are going to like it. In the next look, fold your scarf, wear it, tie both of the edges. Now pass the one edge through the folded part and tie a knot again. Now set it and you are done. In the next one, fold your scarf, cross over at the back. Now take both of the edges and tie double knot. Set the scarf and you are done. I hope you are going to like these styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.